Now I'm beginning to put together my Word document, my first report, and I've got some ideas sketched out here on a Word file. It's an 8.5 by 11 sheet format. Here are my results in the form of a pivot table. And what I'd like to do is transfer the pivot table from the Excel file that it's in right now and bring it over to the Word file. Now to get our table, I'm going to come back over to our pivot table, and I'm only going to select this portion. I'm selecting A4 down through D6, and I'm going to do a copy and come back over to my Word document, and I'm going to do a paste special. I don't want to bring it in as an Excel file. I think it's finished. It's as finished as I'd like it to be. I'm going to bring it in as an enhanced meta file or Windows meta file. It's pretty easy to work with now as an object. And here it is. We can center this in the middle of the page. And now I can write my results with the pivot table already decently formatted for our report. If you check the sample report available on Blackboard, you'll see this is essentially the sort of pivot table that I've used in the sample report. I hope you got something out of this exercise, the steps that you take. This is in Excel 2007. The steps are very similar in Excel 2003, and if you had the new version of Excel 2010, very, very similar steps. Pivot tables are relatively easy to make once you've made them a few times. So, like playing a musical instrument, practice makes perfect. I hope you try these tricks out. Start with your original HHS data set and see if you can make your first pivot table, and see then if you can create your first report.